Belated. Adjective. After the expected or usual time, delayed. A belated birthday card. Synonyms. Late. Tardy. Belatedly. Adverb. Later than usual or than expected. I belatedly wished her a happy birthday. Synonyms. Late. Tardily. Belief. Noun. A vague idea in which some confidence is placed. It strengthened my belief in his sincerity. Synonyms. Feeling. Impression. Notion. Opinion. Believe. Verb. Be confident about something. I believe that he will come back from the war. Synonyms. Trust. Believe. Verb. Judge or regard, look upon, judge. I believe her to be very smart. Synonyms. Conceive. Consider. Think. Belittle. Verb. Lessen the authority, dignity, or reputation of. Don't belittle your colleagues. Synonyms. Diminish. Belittle. Verb. Cause to seem less serious, play down. Don't belittle his influence. Synonyms. Denigrate. Derogate. Minimize. Belittling. Adjective. Tending to diminish or disparage. Belittling comments. Synonyms. Deprecating. Deprecative. Deprecatory. Depreciative. Depreciatory. Sliding. Bell. Noun. The sound of a bell being struck. Saved by the bell. Synonyms. Toll. Bell ringer. Noun. Something that exactly succeeds in achieving its goal. The new advertising campaign was a bell ringer. Synonyms. Bullseye. Home run. Mark. Bellbottom. Adjective. Of trousers having legs that flare at the bottom. Bell-bottom trousers. Synonyms. Bell-bottomed. Bellbottom. Bellicose. Adjective. Having or showing a ready disposition to fight. Bellicose young officers. Synonyms. Battleful. Combative. Belligerent. Adjective. Characteristic of an enemy or one eager to fight. A belligerent tone. Synonyms. Aggressive. Belligerent. Adjective. Engaged in war. Belligerent or warring nations. Synonyms. Militant. War-ridden. Warring. Belligerently. Adverb. With hostility, in a belligerent hostile manner. He pushed her against the wall belligerently. Synonyms. Hostilely. Bellow. Noun. A very loud utterance, like the sound of an animal. His bellow filled the hallway. Synonyms. Bellowing. Holla. Holler. Hollering. Hollow. Holloa. Roar. Roaring. Bellow. Verb. Make a loud noise, as of animal. The bull bellowed. Synonyms. Roar. Belly button. Noun. A scar where the umbilical cord was attached. She had a tattoo just above her belly button. Synonyms. Belly button. Navel. Omphallus. Omphallus. Umbilicus. Belly up. Adjective. Financially ruined. The company went belly up. Synonyms. Bankrupt. Belong. Verb. Be in the right place or situation. Where do these books belong? Synonyms. Go.
Chica